seek your Lordship's indulgence in making a mention regarding item number 6 of part 2.
Item number?
6 of part 2. My Lord, the senior counsel has some personal difficulties, so if this matter may come up after a week.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, my
Yes,
Lord.
my lord, we have no objection.
Okay, as prayed for by Ms. Ruth Lord Valley, learned counsel for the appellant tenor opposed to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again after a week.
Obliged. My Lord, and for item number 8, I'm mentioning on behalf of the petitioners, counsel for the petitioners, my Lord. With the
Item number
consent of the-
8 of the hearing list.
Yes, 8 of hearing list. With the consent of the other party, my Lord, if this matter may come up after, in the next week.
Okay, please write. As prayed for on behalf of Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the petitioners and not opposed to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again after a week.
Obliged.
Daily list for admission, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, here, my Lord, in this case, my Lord, this one issue is raised by the respondent, my Lord, regarding the maintainability of the writ petition, my Lord. And my Lord, so the other writ petition was dismissed, my Lord, which was filed by me, my Lord, in the WPC 57 of 2023, my Lord. In the same issue, the writ petition was dismissed, my Lord, the Aizawl bench itself, my Lord. And I filed a writ appeal, my Lord, against that order, my Lord. Against that order, I filed writ appeal. My Lord, writ appeal is, my Lord, WPC number, writ appeal number 16 of 2025, my Lord. In said writ appeal, my Lord, the state the order of order passed in WPC number 57 of 23, my Lord. Regarding the maintainability of the writ petition, my Lord. Here, so may I pray, my Lord, that matter is fixed on 29th April 2026, my Lord. So, may I pray this matter may become after 29/4/2026, my Lord. All 4 matter, my Lord. Your issue is, my Lord, regarding the payment, my Lord, from the date of possession or from the date of award. When notice was issued in this case, my Lord, your Lordship was passed the order regarding section 16 and section 17. So where my section 16 speaks the compensation required to be paid from the date of award, and so for section 17, the urgency clause, my Lord, some date of possession, my Lord. That question was raised, my Lord, and your Lordship was issued notice. Subsequently, the respondent preparation filed an affidavit in opposition where they raised the maintainability of this writ petition regarding because this order by district collector passed. There is a CMA, my Lord. CMA directed to pay the compensation 34 interest, my Lord, as per Land Acquisition Act, my Lord. So the land acquisition, when there is land acquisition, then section 16 and section 17 is come, my Lord, regarding the date of possession, my Lord. That was the issue in the writ petition, my Lord. So may I pray this matter may come after 29/4/2026. There is no statement.
So the writ petition 57 was dismissed.
Dismissed, yes, my Lord.
You filed writ appeal 16.
Yes, my Lord. It was state that state order, my Lord, regarding the maintainability of the writ petition.
The issues, the subject matter is the same as like the present
Same,
case.
Same, my Lord, same. That, yes, my Lord.
So then it will have to be listed sometime in May.
May, my Lord, if Lordship may fix on 18th of May, my Lord, another actually 34 and 28 interest writ appeal is also pending before the principal events. It is fixed on 12th May, my Lord. So that was another issue in this writ petition, my Lord.
So you want it on 18 May?
Yes, my Lord.
What do you say?
I have no objection.
Okay. Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned CGC, appearing through RVC, submits that similar case, that is WPC number 57 of 2023, was dismissed by this court, and against which writ appeal number 16 of 2025 is filed. Stop the learned counsel submits that. Is there any stay order?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. The stay order was passed, my lord, and 21st January 2026, my lord. It was continual, interim continual.
Learned Counsel submits that the writ appellate court has stayed the judgment of the learned single judge, and that the matter is likely to be, and the matter is scheduled to be listed on 29th of April 2026. The learned counsel therefore submits that the present case may be listed after 29th of April 2026 and preferably on 18th of May 2026. So Ms. Ruth Lalruatfeli, learned counsel appearing for the respondent, numbers 1, 2 to
All the private respondents.
appearing for all the private respondents, submits that she has no objection to the prayer. In view of above, and as prayed for, list this matter on 18th of May 2026. Similar
1
order,
to 4, man.
similar order
Yes,
in other
ma'am.
cases. 1
Yes,
to 4,
ma'am.
similar order.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
For orders, item 5.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Mr. Johnny L. Tau Chong. And regarding the service of notice, we have taken steps on 4/6/2025. However, my lord, it is still not completed. So I humbly pray to your lordship that if we may be allowed to serve the notice by way of Dusty.
Okay, 1 to 3.
Yes, my lord.
1, 2, and 3, they are resident of Ratu.
Yes, my lord. Respondent number 1 is Ratu and respondent number 2 is Ching Chip. 2 and 3 is Ching Chip.
2 and 3, Chinsi. Please write down. Office note dated 19/3/2026 indicates that although notice was issued to the respondent numbers 1 to 3 on 4/6/2025, but neither AD card nor unserved notice has come back. Stop. What is your good name?
Lalmang Isanga.
Mr. Lal Mangay Sanga. Your name is there?
No, my lord.
LALHMAI and NGAIH. No, you give in writing.
Yes, my lord.
Given that, Mr. Lalpang Isanga, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Johnny L. Tauchong, counsel for the applicant, submits that he may be allowed to serve notice upon the respondent numbers 1 to 3 by way of Dusty. Stop considering the prayer. Applicant is allowed to serve notice upon the respondent numbers 1 to 3 by way of Dusty through the registry of this court within
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks from today. Stop. The applicant shall thereafter file an affidavit to show proof of service. List again after a month.
Much obliged.
Item 6.
My lord, in this case, I filed affidavit in opposition to condonation of a delay application, my lord, on 5th March.
What thing?
It's condonation of delay application, my lord.
You are for the.
I'm for the respondent, my lord.
How many respondents are there?
One respondent only, my lord.
And who's for the applicant?
Miss Nilma Swami, I think, is appearing for the applicant, my lord. It's not here.
You filed an objection.
Yes,
What is to be done then?
since the learned counsel for the applicant is not here, my lord, I think it's best to adjourn, my lord.
After a week,
Anytime, my lord, subject to your availability, my lord.
Miss, none appears for the applicant when the matter is called. Mr.
Dalrot Pay Asylum.
Nalruatpu Asilo, learned counsel appears for the sole respondent and submits that the respondent has filed objection to the IA. Next para. In view of above, this matter again after a week.
Obliged, my lord.
Part 2 is over.